Hello guys, this is Alex here, car guy with Michael Strada of Bellevue, and today I want to make this walk around video of a one of the first brand new vehicles we had in stock for a while now. And this is definitely a trim level of the brand new Highlander gas model. You don't come across very often. So this is the L model, but it is an all-wheel drive V6, okay? So it's brand new 2022. Let me show you quickly and quick walk around and overview of what features you get with that, what features you're not getting with that, and all that stuff. I'll let you guys know, and you can let me know what do you think. I will tell you that as the way it sits, my opinion is that it's still a lot of 8-seater SUV for the monies, guys, okay? So this one MSRP is at, I'm just gonna go over to the window sticker, okay? So it does have MSRP of $39,612. And as far as packages, okay, you do have the roof rack crossbars, you do have the tow hitch on the vehicle, and it does come with the carpet floor mats and first aid kit, okay? So you got the carpet floor mats. It does come with cloth seats, so you don't get leather on the L nor the LE. So let me show you. It's got a factory tow hitch with wiring. That's really cool. It's actually cheaper to get from the factory than it is to install it here, just because you're not paying the labor from the factory. As you guys can see, it is the all-wheel drive model. It's got the roof rack crossbars, and then we also have an 18-inch alloy wheels. So just kind of first glance on the outside, guys, a big difference between that and, for example, the XLE. I mean, you don't get a fog lights with that, okay? You do get LED headlights, a day running lights, but you don't have available fog lights. And then as far as safety features, you are pretty much getting all the safety features, the standard equipment, but you're not getting the blind spot monitor, okay? So keep that in mind. That usually has got the sign here. You don't have the blind spot on the L model. And then going to the interior, it's got a nice, you know, cloth fabric seats. Of course, there's no sunroof available or anything like that. And you do have a driver power seat, but you don't have lumbar, okay? So you got a driver power seat with up and down as well, with controllable this. It's a 6-way adjustable, but no lumbar. And then also the passenger seat will be manual on this, okay? And also the side panel will have that cloth here. Nothing special trim, just kind of blackout trim. All power windows. You do have the automatic high beams. This is for your fuel tank and for the hood. You got small compartment right here for monies and coins. The steering wheel is still adjustable, manual, just like it is on every single Highlander out there. And this is a brand new vehicle. Like I said, 2022 Highlander L. You do have the other safety features right here: lane keeper assist, adaptive cruise control, and then for the auto high beams, that's where the button is to turn that off and on. You do have, however, it does come with the backup camera. Pretty much they all do. And this one gives you actually the heated side mirrors with the rear defrost and the windshield rain sensing wiper. And then evidently, very nice, it does come with the push start button. So, I mean, there's that, you know, not bad at all. On top of that, you do have all these charging ports standard, guys. You know, the one for the Apple CarPlay, charging ports. You know, you got the power plug, location to place your phone. We can run the cable through here, very nice. And then also this little compartment right here. You got a solid size glove box. And then, of course, it's a Highlander. It's a big family vehicle. Mid compartment, look how big that is, okay? And then you have another power plug right down here, okay? And then, like I said, this is an 8-seater. So it's got the bench seats in the rear. So check it out. Got quite a bit the leg room, guys. Huge vehicle. You know, cloth seats. It does come with the 3-zone climate control, so you still got the rear climate control, and you got the charger plugs in the back, and then all that. You don't get the sunscreens right here, which do come on the XLEs and all models above that. So going on to the back, you know, big thing, you don't get a power back door with the L model, so it's just gonna be manual, but it's not bad. It's not like it's super heavy or anything like that, so no worries there. The third row, it doesn't come with a carpet cover for it, just because it has carpet mats. And then, you know, you can pop the third row by just lifting it up, okay? And then you can actually adjust that third row seat like that. So it's actually a very spacious 8-seater, guys. If you're only riding with 4 or 5 people, you can use all the trunk in the world you can think of in the back here, and then all that. And it's 60-40 split for the fold down of the seats. On top of that, they come with this compartment. Okay, you got first aid kit. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, it does come with a carpet liner as well, because it comes with that whole package, and all that. So great vehicle, guys. Like I said, this is the gas model, so it's an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is a V6. It can tow, rated for torque, 5,000 pound towing capacity. It says it right here. It's 295 horsepower, 3.5 V6 with 8-speed transmission. So, you know, not bad, guys. Like I said, 39,612. You got MSRP right there. We don't have any markups. That's usually the stuff I always bring up here at Michael's Toyota Bellevue. So no markup. You're just paying MSRP, tax, license, and dock fee. And like I said, if you have a big family, this is definitely a great vehicle for you. Like I said, it's a lot of vehicle for the money, in my opinion, because for under 40 grand or just about 44 after taxes out the door, you have a brand new nice SUV with 8 seats. Like I say, if you don't care about leather, heated seats, sunroof, that might just be the way to go for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. Reviewing the 2022 brand new Toyota Highlander L all-wheel drive, silver with black cloth interior. MSRP is 39,612, and then we don't have any markups at Michael's Toyota Bellevue. If you guys have any questions on the vehicle, or what do you think on the Highlanders, let me know. Like and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos as well. I do have another XLE Highlander gas model in stock in moon dust with black interior, so I might make a video on that as well. So yeah, guys, hopefully you like that video. Like and subscribe. 2022 Highlander L all-wheel drive, silver on black with tow hitch. Thank you.